Naglalakihan at makukulay na hot air balloons tampok sa Lubao International Balloon and Music Festival sa Pampanga. Tunghayan sa report.
Up and away, pagkatapos ng 5 taon, the comeback is real. Dahil ang mga makukulay at naggagandahang mga hot air balloon, muli na namang nasilayan sa himpapawid sa 3-day Lubao International Balloon and Music Festival sa Pampanga. Ma-amaze sa mga special-shaped balloons tulad ni Chef ng Taiwan, Fox balloon na si Red Panda mula sa Japan, at rocket ship balloon. Crowd favorite naman ang Angry Bird ng Thailand at Rooster ng Netherlands na siyang pinakamalaking balloon ngayong taon.
We are so happy because before the 6 years we were like a group of pilots. We were all friends together and everybody fly to Australia, to Thailand, to Holland. And now we meet again in the fiesta.
This is my dream na nakikita ko lang siya sa TV when I was young. And after more than 40 years, this is it, the reality.
Mayroon ding regular-shaped balloons tulad ng balloon ng bayan ng Lubao, makulay na balloon ng Vietnam. Mayroon ding mga mini version ng mga ito na kung tawagin ay mga remote-controlled hot air balloon.
They're scaled down models of the real hot air balloon. Of course, the basket is small, hindi siya pwedeng sakyan, but it is controlled by, we call them also pilots. They're on the ground and then may cord siya to control the burner of the mini hot air balloon.
Glam Kalikdan, Dizon, 1 North Central Luzon.